Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 22nd, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on my lobelia seedlings. You can see them here, and yes, I still do have them growing, and they're flat because when I transplant them, I like to plant them in little groups. So I'll just take apart what I need when I transplant them in with my other mixed plantings. So I just wanted to show you here, and I do have some down here. Hold on a moment. And these are some that I started in a 4-pack. And I just wanted to show them to you here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.